What up guys, it's your boy Big Hustle. I'm back with another one guys. As we've all seen that Nasandra was volatile during NFP, which was on Friday last week. So today it's Monday. We're going to review on what actually happened and the strategy on how to do NFP. This strategy I'm giving out for free, so make sure that you stick long enough till the end of the video, whereby I'll be actually sharing this strategy for you. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple, so stick around long enough. Without any further waste of time, I'm going to jump into the video. As we all see that the market was actually on a support level during NFP, not during but before NFP, and it went down for a lot of candles. As we can see that we are on a higher time frame, lower time frame. So this here was a downtrend. Okay, the market was actually downtrending. Let me just draw it out for you. The market was actually downtrending. So jumping into a 15 minutes time frame, it's a long trading set. It's a long downtrend market on the lower time frame, as you can see. So let's go back to a higher time frame and explain on how we took this trade. But I'll be sharing the strategy at the end of the video, not now. So let me remove this for you. There you go. So we actually took two trades. We took two trades, but on a lower time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame. So jumping into the 15 minutes time frame, we're going to go down and zoom into a support that we drew on a higher time frame. Okay. So we took a trade right here during NFP. NFP didn't waste any time. It immediately shot up without even going down to reject or retest a certain support level. So we took it buy right here, and our take profit was on the nearest resistant level. Okay, so before we took profit, we made sure that we entered our trade before the actual news, before the actual non-farm payroll. Okay, so I would advise you to do the same before the NFP. It was on 9:30, so you should maybe like enter a trade 2 minutes before or 15 minutes before the actual news release. This includes every other fundamental trading strategy. Make sure that you enter the specific trade before the news, because sometimes you try to enter immediately when the news release, and then you're going to be the trade will actually have been a long time gone. Hence, sometimes with a lot of brokers, you see that when you try to open a trade during fundamentals, and immediately during that specific time, when you try to open the trade, it tells you about the codes, no codes, or something like that. So a lot of traders complain that the brokers are actually manipulating the trade and stuff like that, which is not the case. The case is that you open the trade immediately during fundamentals instead of before fundamentals. Okay, when you enter a trade, immediately you should enter with your technical analysis, not with fundamentals. So let's go back, guys, and zoom in. So with our strategy, we entered before the news and we took profit here. So what happened is that we weren't looking forward to actually hold this trade for a very long time. So as soon as we saw another opportunity, as you can see that the market went up. Okay, the market went up, came back again. So this was the second opportunity that we got, which gave us another buy. Okay, which we are still holding right now. It's currently running on around 10,000 to 9,000 ZAR. Okay, 9,000 rand. So the market immediately shot up, hit our take profit, because we did put our take profit, but we kind of risked by not putting a stop loss. But the trade went against us, so that's the mistake that I made by not putting my stop loss. But anyway, in any case, we still won the trade. So the market shot up, came back again, led us to another order block. As you can see, this is where smart money concept enters. So even if you can grab our Lux algo indicator and drag it to a chart to do show, but we'll do that later on to the video. So the market came back again. As soon as it came back and we checked the market again, we saw that okay, it went down to retest the order block that was drawn on a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, make sure that you make your analysis on a higher time frame and you confirm your entries on a lower time frame. Okay, so this what happened. The market went down again. As soon as we saw that the market was on an order block which was created on a 15 minutes time frame, we immediately entered another buy. So this was a very exciting trade, guys. This was a very successful trade for us, and we entered another buy. This time we did put a stop loss, okay, and then we ride the trade up to a very higher high of H4 time frame. Let's go to H4 and show you so you can understand what I'm talking about. As you can see, on a high time frame, this thing is kind of small, so let's drag it out. As you can see, guys, as soon as the market came back and retested the order block on a 15 minutes time frame, we held our trade. We opened another buy, we held our trade. As you can see, this is a lot of pips, guys. This is a lot of pips that we are still holding right now. As you can see, the price shot up, continued and shot up, but as soon as it hits every higher as soon as it wipes or reaches any nearest resistance on a lower time frame, we adjusted our stop loss and put it above our entry point. So as soon as the more the market goes deeper into profit, the more we adjust our stop loss and put it as a take profit in case the market reverses again. To you know that if you do that, then you know that you didn't lose anything because you adjusted your stop loss and put it and followed the prices whatever direction it goes, whether it's selling or buying, you're moving your stop loss with the direction of the market. Okay, so that's what we did, of which our stop loss currently it's at this level right here, if I'm not mistaken, because we did put our stop loss on 15 minutes time frame, not on H4 time frame. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a little bit excited of this video because, guys, I'm about to be revealing a very unique trading strategy for NFP, guys, so you can make money as well. I'm giving it out for free, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you're enjoying it already, leave a comment as well. So our stop loss is currently, I highlighted that on a lower time frame, but let me highlight it again. It's currently here, which we are about to hit, but we are not stressing about it because we are already in deep profit, which just one trade, 0.01 lot size even, guys. So this is amazing. Without any further waste of time, let me remove every drawing so that I can show you the strategy, guys. So even if you can drag our Lux algo indicator, we're going to see that smart money concept actually played a role in this trade because the order blocks were like whereby our banks were putting their buy orders and our stop and their stop orders. Okay, so let me just adjust my settings right here. I like it this way. Okay, I like it this way. For those who do not know Lux Algo SMC indicator, make sure that you go back to my videos. I explained this indicator pretty well, so make sure that you go back and view my videos, guys. So as you can see right here, whereby we took our entry, this is another order block that was created on a lower time frame. Okay, so if you do not know how to trade, how to analyze with SMC, I'll recommend this indicator, but this video is not about that. Like I said, make sure to check my videos, my old videos whereby I speak about this indicator. So I'm going to remove it for now and show you the strategy. Okay, this is the part you've been waiting for, so thank you for watching up to this level. So what happened was we put our sell stop and our buy stop on the last 4-hour candlestick. So I think okay, now I'm starting to be confused myself, but I'm going to just make an example because this is not how the candlesticks were during that during the trade. So say this right here, say this last bearish candlestick, say that was before the NFP news release. Okay, say that was before the NFP news release. So even if it wasn't, like I said, I'm a little bit confused of which candlestick played out. I'm not quite sure if it's this one, the blue one, or the gray one, the bearish one. So these two lines that are just drawn right now, it's our sell stop and our buy stop. Okay, that's what you do 15 minutes before NFP. Say NFP is at 3:30. Okay, say NFP is at 3:30. Make sure that 2:45 you put your buy or your sell stops and your buy stops right above the last 4-hour candlestick, whether it's bullish or whether it's bearish. Okay, make sure that you put those buy stops and sell stops right above and below the last candlestick. Okay, make sure you also put a take profit for each and every trade and a stop loss as well. Okay, so this is what happened. And when you jump into a lower time frame, you see that these lines that are drawn, it's a market ranging actually. Okay, it's a market ranging, like I said. There you see it. I'm speaking about this right here. Okay, this area is where the market was ranging before NFP. Okay, before NFP. Let me just adjust this line right here and put it below the support level. Okay, there you go. So yeah, the price immediately during NFP, the price shot up and triggered. Okay, it triggered the buy stop. Luckily it was buy. It triggered the buy stop and it hit take profit immediately. It didn't waste any time. It hit take profit immediately, and then we were out. We were done with NFP. Luckily it came back again. As you can see right here, we have a change of structure and a break of structure. So let me just quickly draw that out for you. What's that damage? Okay, I can't see my tool anymore. Okay, let me just take this one. Let me just drag that across. Okay, as you can see, we had a break of structure. Okay, we had a break of structure on a 15 minutes time frame, and we also had a change of character right here. Let me just name that for you. We had a change of character and we had a break of structure. And then we had an order block. So this is where the market came back. Okay, this is where the market came back. As soon as it retested the order block on a 15 minutes time frame, it shot up immediately again, and we are still holding this trade. And my prediction, guys, I think it's going to reverse from this level. Let me just jump into a higher time frame. Actually H4 time frame. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and drag my volume profile indicator, and so we can see where our volume will be at. Okay, as you can see, it gave us right there. We're going to jump into an hourly time frame. So I think this is where the market will be reversing. Okay, I think this is where the market will be reversing, of which it's currently at right now. Okay, I also made a video about the volume profile indicator or instrument. Make sure that you go back to my videos and watch that video, because I explained that pretty crystal clear. Okay, so as you can see, I predict that the market will reverse from that level and continue its uptrend. Okay, even if you can trade the Lux Algo SMC, it might not draw that. Reason why this is a unique trade, because I tracked my volume profile too. So as you can see, the Lux Algo just threw it a little bit below my order block that I just analyzed with. So If you do not understand any of this and you do not, make sure that you follow the link on the description. I'm currently running a free mentorship and a free signal group on Telegram. Make sure that you join it, and also sign up with the best broker that I use. Link on the description as well. So I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you do not understand me clearly about the strategy, make sure that you leave a DM on Instagram. Okay, our handle is right at the top above of our channel. Make sure that you click that link and follow us on Instagram also. Peace, guys, and more.